In this video, you'll learn how to integrate AI with Google Workspace for productivity by using Gemini as your built-in co-editor across your favorite apps. Today, I'll show you how Gemini has moved beyond being just a side assistant and has become the core engine of Google Workspace. Instead of thinking of AI as something extra you bolt on, it now lives directly inside tools like Docs, Sheets, Slides, Gmail, and more, helping you work faster and smarter as you go. First, let's talk about how to access it. In your Google Workspace apps, look for the small diamond-shaped star icon. This is the Gemini icon, and it's your entry point into all of the AI features. You'll usually find it near the top of the screen or in the toolbar, depending on the app you're using. Once you spot that icon, you're ready to bring Gemini into whatever you're working on. Open any workspace app you use regularly, like Google Docs. When your document is open, click the diamond star icon. This opens the Gemini panel or toolbar where you can start interacting with the AI. From here, you can type in prompts, ask it to help you with writing, rewriting, summarizing, or brainstorming, all directly inside the document you're editing. The same idea works in Gmail. When you're composing or replying to an email, click the diamond star icon to have Gemini help you draft a message, improve the tone, shorten a long email, or generate a quick summary of a long thread. It's especially useful when you're pressed for time or need to respond professionally and clearly. In Google Sheets, that same Gemini icon lets you treat AI as a co-editor for your data. After clicking it, you can ask for help writing formulas, creating summaries of your data, generating sample data sets, or even explaining what a specific function does. This can save you a lot of time if you're not fully comfortable with all the spreadsheet features, but still want to work at an advanced level. In Slides, clicking the diamond star icon lets Gemini help with presentation outlines, slide content, and even suggestions for phrasing and structure. You can start with a simple prompt describing your topic, and Gemini will propose a flow or draft content for multiple slides, which you can then customize to match your style and branding. Across all of these apps, the pattern stays the same. Open the file you're working on, find and click the diamond star icon, then describe what you need in clear, simple language. Treat Gemini like a coworker who's good at first drafts, summaries, and quick ideas, but still needs your review and final approval. As you get more comfortable with it, make a habit of bringing Gemini into everyday tasks. Use it to outline long documents, clean up rough notes, turn bullet-style thoughts into polished paragraphs, summarize long reports, or translate and adjust tone as needed. The goal is for AI to quietly integrate into your normal workflow, not feel like a separate tool you have to remember to open. By consistently using that diamond star icon inside your Google Workspace apps, you're effectively integrating AI into your daily work, turning Gemini into a true co-editor that boosts your productivity without adding extra complexity.